Hi, my name is Kay, and this is my new segment. Put it in the microwave. Safety first. Now, the first thing we're gonna put in the microwave is this egg. Now, we're gonna set the microwave to 5 minutes. Now let's see what happened. Sounds like it blew up. Now let's have a look. I think we got an explosion egg. What a mess. The next thing we're gonna put in the microwave is this tomato. Five minutes. Now let's see what happens. Let's have a look. Tomato soup, anyone? The next thing we're gonna put in the microwave is this banana. 5 minutes. And we wait. Banana bread, anyone? The next thing we're gonna put in the microwave are these 2 CDs. Five seconds this time. Awesome! Let's do it again. That is so cool! The next thing we're gonna put in the microwave is this bar soap. 5 minutes. Smells pretty soapy. Let's have a look. Smells soapy. Let's touch it. Alright. It's super hot. Don't touch it. Don't try this at home, and especially without parental supervision. See you next time when we put all kind of more stuff in the microwave. Bye!